Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you a very simple and easy story. Let's begin. Once there was a girl named Elsie. Her parents called her Clever Elsie and wanted to find her a husband. A man named Hans came to marry her, but he said she must truly be wise. Her parents insisted that she was very clever, so Hans agreed. One day, Elsie went to the cellar to bring beer. While filling the jug, she saw a pickaxe hanging on the wall above her. Suddenly, she started imagining the future. She thought that if she married Hans and had a child, the child might come to the cellar one day and the pickaxe could fall and hurt him. Thinking this, Elsie began to cry loudly. One by one, the maid, the boy, her mother, and her father came to check on her. After hearing her strange fear, they all sat down and cried with her. When Hans finally came and heard the reason, he said, "She is clever enough," and married her. After marriage, Hans once asked Elsie to go and cut corn in the field. Elsie went there, ate her food first, and then decided to sleep instead of working. She fell asleep in the field. Hans later came, saw her sleeping, and played a trick. He tied small bells around her while she slept and went home. When Elsie woke up and started walking, the bells rang. She became confused and wondered, "Am I really Elsie?" She went home and asked Hans, "Is Elsie inside?" Hans replied, "Yes, she is inside." Hearing this, Elsie got scared and thought she was not Elsie. She ran away from the village and no one ever saw her again. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.